I'm going to show you how to use point color in the Lightroom app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the right side, click on color, and here if we scroll down, we find point color. Now we click on the dropper tool, select the color, and here we can set the hue shift of this color, as in where we want to shift this, the saturation shift, then luminance shift. And here we can also go in the color field and move the color to some other point, which we can't really see beforehand. Then we can adjust the luminance as well, as you can see here. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.